Welcome back to Design Coach. In this video, I'll show you how to create a trendy prepster fashion-inspired outfit using our awesome online tool, Repsketch. Repsketch is a free online software for designing, customizing, and transforming product ideas into captivating 3D designs. On the platform, this design process is broken down into 3 simple steps: repurpose, remix, and render. Step 1. Repurpose. Start fresh by creating a new canvas and setting up our workspace. To speed up the process, let's head to Repsketch's component library, filled with editable design components ready to be repurposed as templates. This women's croquis component is perfect for our design foundation. Let's drag it onto the canvas. Resize, ungroup, and delete internal lines. Add a splash of color to using our handy color tool. Group them back together to keep all design components in place. Step 2. Remix. Now we have our base ready on the canvas, so let's remix this to align with our design requirements. As you can see, Repsketch offers this super user-friendly online vector editor for seamless customization. After some online trend scouting, I've got a prepster fashion-inspired outfit in mind. So let's hunt for a tank top sketch in our design library. A quick search with the tag tank top reveals an extensive collection of vector-ready designs contributed by our community. This women's tank top design will be great as our starting point. So let's drag it to our workspace and place it to fit our croquis. Edit group to delete the back part of neckline. Adjust layers and double-click this panel to reveal the vector nodes and refine the neckline by repositioning the node. Use this edit group option and use the color tool to quickly fill color and change the outline's color. Follow the same method to change color of all design objects. Now let's again dive into the design library to hunt down a blazer for our ensemble and drag it over. I'm experimenting with a few types here to see what fits my design requirements. This looks great, so let's start editing it. Resize, ungroup, and align both the front and back panel to fit croquis. Delete the back layer. Ungroup the blazer further and use multiple design objects to swiftly apply color using the color tool. Do the same for the blazer back. To jazz up the blazer, let's dive into the components pane and look for a pattern under graphics. This blend play pattern is perfect. Drop it onto our workspace. Resize, rotate, and start duplicating to cover the entire blazer. Edit group and resize sections to fill in the gaps at corners. Duplicate again to fill the back of the blazer and edit group to fill in the gaps. Absolutely fantastic. Next up, let's find a skirt from the design library to go along with our blazer. This women's formal skirt looks like a perfect match, so let's drag it onto the workspace. Ungroup and adjust layers to resize the skirt perfectly. Edit group to remove all the extra design elements like this and edit nodes wherever required. Color match it to the rest of the outfit and adjust layers. Edit group to duplicate and fill in the blend play pattern on the skirt like we did for the blazer. Repeat the steps for back panel as well. Let's spice up our outfit with accessories, starting with a hairstyle. Grab one from the components pane, resize, and ungroup to place it on both body forms. Now onto adding a handbag to our outfit. Dive into the design library, search bag and handbag tags, and drag your favorite onto the workspace. Resize the side view and place to fit in the hands of both croquis. Let's finish off by adding a footwear. Search for tags, shoes, and women, and drag your favorite pair onto the workspace. Delete the extra view, resize the back view, and ungroup to place on both foot. Resize the front and edit group to delete the sole. That's a wrap. Proceed to the design properties section. Provide a name, description, and relevant tags for your sketch. Don't forget to share your creation with others by setting it as public. Step 3. Render. Now it's time to transform your sketch into a stunning 3D image. Head to your profile, open the view page of your sketch, and click this magic wand icon to unleash the AI capabilities. Customize or add a new prompt, hit generate, and witness the magic. Experiment with different prompts to integrate your designs into tech packs or present them in your design meetings. That's how Repsketch swiftly turns your ideas into realistic images. Subscribe for more tutorials and feel free to share your questions or feedback in the comments section.